Okay, on that day we saw the setting. Let us check the setting for this.
Hmm.
Determination, strategy type. For strategy type, let us first check. Let us first check. Somebody has changed something. So make
Again.
sure. Yeah, make sure we have the right uh, allocation. Oh, we are in 500. Sorry. Let me log in 800 because in
Yeah,
500,
yeah.
yeah, many things are not working.
Yes, yes. Mr. Ishfa,
Yes.
in coming Thursday, I'm going for vacation.
Coming Saturday.
Yes, going home. I'm going
Okay.
to my country for vacation around 40 days.
40 days. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Inshallah. 40 to 45 days. I don't know till now.
Okay. So your hometown is which one? Khartoum?
Khartoum, yes, I am from Khartoum. Yes, yes.
So Khartoum is basically desert area or green.
Huh? Same like
Khartoum gets
city. Same like,
no. No. I am
uh,
asking if it gets lots of rain or very less rain.
no, wrestling. No, not too much. Not too much. But this year, too much. Not too much. Rain is not too much.
Okay. One for cost center. So 201 for cost center. This is the search procedure, and the strategy inside this. Let us check.
Hmm.
Logistic general. Z. So we have ZMM1. In Z00 there is nothing, it is blank. So this will only ZMM1 will work.
Okay.
And in ZMM1 how things are defined, strategy type. ZMM1 plus 003. There is no class. Selection for selection, no class. What about Z00? Okay, Z00 has a class. So this class will be used. We will check this class, what characteristics it had, and then let us check this class. Cross master data. It has purity. Okay, so sorting, like if you want to do sorting, it will not be possible because sorting generally based on date of manufacture, generally where they do sorting. And this one again, purity, uh, what use it will have, access sequence, class type, quantity proposal, display UM, dialog, batch determination. Dialog is always on, we cannot change because we are in this
Okay.
system, so always there will be a dialog.
Okay.
Quanti quantity proposal one means top down assignment, UM, display in stock keeping unit. Okay, okay, so okay, let us see some this class time. Okay, okay, let us, so even if we select from when you create a strategy, even if you select movement type, since it is not defined here, actually movement type should be defined. Like, let us check some other strategy, like this one, sorting. In the class itself, there were two, like date, until you propose a dialog, change allowed. Yeah, here means in the search itself, movement type, plant material. So you can create your query based on these. But when you have that, this one, this Z00, it says movement type, plant material. There is not clear option. Not clear option. Let us search, let us also see the uh, this access sequence. Sorry, what is the access sequence number? Z001. Okay, access sequence. Let us check the access sequence also. Access sequence. this axis is showing. Okay. So it has two options: plant material, movement type material. Okay. It doesn't have the three where you have movement type material plant three all of them. It has only either plant with material or movement type with material. Okay. Yeah, this is important. Movement type material. You know. And here we need to select this Z00. This one. It has some criteria. So one of them, let us select movement type material, and in the movement type, just a minute, I got a phone call.
Okay.
Hello? हाँ 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 ठीक ठीक so let us select this movement type material, and before that let us also check movement types. uh, Movement types, let me keep this open because we will need this again. Yeah. Moment I need to check procedure. Actually, for 201, there is one where it is linked. Okay, so 201 we can check. Okay, let us check 201. No problem. 201. So moment type fine. We will select 201 moment type. Okay, select our material. Batch is plates. Actually, here, even if we check generally, it will be overridden from there. So, like I am not selecting dialog box, but since in the study itself, the dialog box is uh, has to be selected. You see, it this when I click, it came from there. Let us try this. Not we do not want dialog box. We just want suggestion. Okay. Let us see if it has saved properly. 201. Okay, let us display movement type. This. Okay, it is not showing. Okay, okay. Let us try 201. We also need to check the class. Select for selection criteria. degree of purity, we leave it because we will not be using it anyway. Okay, anyway, so it is saved. 201. I think we have some material. Goods issue, other. This is the material. Quantity 1. Okay, let us select, and I will put asterisk. Unrestricted use fine. Okay, it is displaying this dialog box even though we do not want, but it is defined in the strategy, so it is coming. Inter vendor storage location, I forgot to put. Partner, why it is asking for that? Let us check again. Okay, so it is displaying this dialog box, inter vendor. Okay, let us put inter vendor. Creating batch. Okay, okay, now if we post. Okay, so it has posted. So in the strategy, so it is working as per the strategy. In a strategy, it was defined for this strategy that there will be a dialog box, even though we in here if we do not select, still. Okay, let us save it, and again let us check. I checked it, and let us see if there will be any change. Goods issue other. Quantity movement type. Oh, it was 101 movement type. I can't believe this.
I must have 102.
Quantity unit of entry, because there we selected this should be 201. Okay, storage location, this unrestricted use, where we will not provide 201 quantity 201. Okay, let us check. Cost center, batch. Okay, so it is not creating batch automatically. 01. So we need to check some more. In SPRO, batch creation for movement type. here batch in batch master somewhere, status management, system message, batch number assignment, creation of new batch, goods movement, 201, 201, automatic manual without check. So this is fine. You should be able to create batch, automatic or without, or even manual. So why here it is not creating automatically? In our strategy we have defined in our strategy we have defined if this is the movement type, number batch is changes allowed, display, quantity proposal, over delivery, selection type. So for this movement type we should be able to, because there it is defined it can be created automatically. So batch is not creating, and it is there it is set that do not check the batch. If you are creating your own batch, any name, it will not check. So that you can create, no problem. But as per the strategy, when you do uh, selection, so it is showing dialog box, because in the strategy it is set like that. So dialog box is coming, but after that the setting in the movement type, this should work. So this one is not working. So why it is not working? 201 material type. Is there any problem with material type? Batch determination, creation of new batch, batch number assignment, batch number assignment. Where is the assign goods receipt? Where is the setting for maybe material type? Material type setting for goods movement. Plant, no automatic, plant 1000. Batch number assignment, active documents of batches,
Hmm?
batch number range, external material type, production order for goods movement, for batch master transaction. This is the one. Material type. Yes, this is the material type. Our material type is what?
or
Let us check
6
our material. No, no, it
or
is that was in client 500. In
yes,
client 800.
yeah. Yes, you're right.
Let,
قاعدين بلان.
let us check.
طيب check فيهم نسيب.
Material type, okay, ROH.
اوكي.
ROH. Material type, ROH. ROH. Automatic manual without check. Here also it is set without check, so it should not create any problem. So why batch creation is not happening? Let us check any other movement type, because let us check some more. So first we should check what uh, movement type 201. It was defined. It
ايوه
was
ايوه.
defined for when for any movement type it is not defined, then whatever you select in strategy type, that should
Yes,
work.
yes,
But
correct.
if
ايوه
it
ايوه.
is select, yeah. So say for 30,
موجود موجود. ما في زول جميل. احمد ولا هذا اللي خلينا نحسب. تعال. Yes.
yeah, for 301
Mm-hmm.
nothing is set.
Okay.
Okay, let us check 301. So there we will create and see if it is working as per that. So we can select any strategy type because it is not defined here, and it should work. Create and strategy type, let us select CP01 because this one is, it has all the search strategy. Movement type plant material. Okay, select this one.
طيب.
Let us define plant 1000. This movement type 301. 301 and material. So all the combination is possible. We do not want any dialog box.
كيف حالك؟ وينك انت ما
This,
جيت؟ تعال محمد زين ده الغدا بس خلاص انت جاي خلاص. إن شاء الله. ما
okay.
جاب الغدا جالي قال انت ما في قال خلاص.
Let us check this
خلاص خير ان شاء الله.
301 MB1B 301 plant. This storage location will not define here. Receiving plant is 2000, and here also we will not provide this material quantity. Let us select one. Let us see if this is working.
اوكي.
Okay, this one is working, it seems, but again this save button not coming. Item storage
You
location.
check see that it
Okay,
for
maybe they, no, but the thing is, okay, let us check the class. Okay, I have not, one thing I forgot.
uh-huh.
Okay, I have not set the class. Let us change this strategy. I have not set the class yet. 301 this, okay. Now let us go to class. Okay, remaining shelf life say 10 days and expiration date, let us select something in future. So let us put, let's say, October. Okay,
Okay.
October and save. Okay, let us once again check because change CB01 this material. Let us check the criteria. Okay, so it is saved. Okay, let us go back. MB1 301 plant 1000 receiving plant 2000 material 151. Okay, it is coming over here. So manufacturing date is this, so it is valid for 1 month, no problem. And there are stocks 5 quantity here. This is fine, but why you cannot say quantity ascending, descending, reapportion?
I told you last time we checked you have missing object.
Yeah, yeah, authorization is missing.
Yes, that is all. But otherwise it's working fine. That's
Hmm.
okay, that is fine.
Yes. Okay. So this way we this it will work. Now let us. This class also has sorting facility. So let us create some batches, and then we will check if with sorting it is selecting the right batch. We will have manufacturing date different for different batches, and then we will see if it is selecting right. Like here you say there is one quantity here,
Zero.
quantity and stock.
There's no quantity in stock. Zero.
No stock. No, there
Stock.
are two lines, quantity and stock. So here
The quantity zero.
quantity you
See.
want one, here.
Quantity is
Actually
zero.
there is no, quantity actually stock is one. You can
Ah,
check
yes, yes.
this
Yeah, yeah,
batch.
yeah. You don't select
So
anything.
so when you select one, so it will be this will be selected, and afterward when you check it will be zero. If you save, you are able
Okay,
to
okay,
save it.
okay, okay.
Hmm. So actually we have two batches, right?
Yes.
So so currently it is selecting the first one. Okay, what we will do, we have two batches. What we will do, we will do sorting with what we will say the sorting descending.
Okay,
This one is currently it is what it is doing sorting. By default it should be ascending.
okay.
So it is selecting this. We will change. Even here if we try, we quantity ascending, you have chosen another proposal. Is your existing appointment remain unchanged?
Okay.
Okay, so this batch it has put on top, and actually it will be selecting also when you come on this screen. Okay, ascending and descending. So in the strategy,
Mm-hmm.
what I will do, to exit. Okay, okay. In our strategy, we will also select. We will also select the sorting,
Mm-hmm.
logistics, inventory management. Let us do change for this 301. This one, sort criteria. Okay, the sort criteria is it is using a different class. Okay, and it is based on manufacturing date, expiry date,
Mm-hmm.
expiration date, shelf life, ascending. It is ascending. If I
Mm-hmm.
want to change, how I can change? It is
Change the
disabled.
sort. You must select the sorting in sorting country. Change the sorting category.
From here, maybe on the different screens. Let me go from the other screen. Here, batches allowed. Select determination. Where is sorting? Still, it is disabled.
Yes, disable. They don't give you authorization.
Yes, authorization is not there to change. So ascending, it will always come with ascending, not descending.
Ascending.
Mm. But anyways, so sort rule, you can change. So you can say descending, you can select, and when you run, so it will select the batch as per the rule, sort rule you have defined, and the sort rule works on this class defined. Let us check this class. Condition. This class. Create. This class has been deleted from the system.
Mm-hmm.
Class type 023. Class type will be, yes, class will be 023 because it is a batch class. It will display this expiration date. It has a characteristic. CPSQ, CP underscore SQ. CP underscore SQ. Yes, it is there.
Yes.
So why, yeah, so why it is saying does not exist CP underscore and class type there is, class type will be, it will be 023. It is a batch class. Change display. What class is this? CP0
Set
023
F34.
023.
أي. أنت شنو؟ ما تجي يقول دواء، أنا شاري دواء ما بشرب والله. دواء ما بشرب. عندك حاجة عيش بيها بشرب. دواء ما ده. أحمد شوف محمد.
ذكرت له الصباح هذا الصبح مسحته قال لي كان وجع الحلق يجيك.
أيوة خلاص هذا.
امسح منه، امسح بس محل وجع الحلق هنا بس، والله يا كمال شالوا طق.
محمد زين جاك.
امسح كويس بس، امسح
شوف
كويس.
تحت محمد زين الباب يا
فات فات. يا جاي يا محمد زين جاي. امسح امسح من امسح من الزيت الزيتون انت قاعد.
خلاص عارف خلاص ماشي الصباح. المشكلة عندك كلاس أنا أمشي أتغدى وأنتوا خلوا لي الباقي بس هو قاعد يعرف. محمد ما يتكلم. مش يقول لهم عارف كمان عنده حصة، أنا حصة كمان عارف.
Material class, economic class, functional 0, controlling time. Yes. Contract clause. Maybe somebody has changed this class to some other class type. I do not know.
This class type is 5.
5. Where you saw this?
You see, class type 5 up. You see, 37 entries found.
Which one?
You read up what is written. Class type 5, 73 entry found.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe this class they change the class type.
Yeah, that is what I am saying. Maybe somebody has changed this class type because it is a batch class, so it should be 023. So somebody may have changed it to something else. We do not know. So how to find out the class type for this class?
There is no report for class display. If there is report, is that one you can know.
Let us search
What?
on the internet. Type.
أيوة.
Put in a class type and class name, hit enter, get a list of materials and to the class type. I have to create the new material. It must be made of seeing attention that can give me the list of materials with the classification information. Here it at CL30N, class type and class name. I want to find class type. No, but you need to give class type.
Yes, written.
We do not know class type. We want to know class
There,
type.
this container you can select. You select and see where is our class is there.
CL,
You can get there, go to this report and check how many types there. In that one you can know.
it is asking for class type.
Open here, see how many class types is there.
We don't know. 73.
Go for batch.
Not found. It says not found.
Maybe Allah.
Definitely somebody has changed the class type.
Yes.
That is why it is not being found.
It's not working fine, that's the reason. Because class already is not there. Using the class which is not there.
So you can refer to your class detail, characteristic detail, characteristic value. Maybe this table. CLAH. It may give some class type to this class. C11. Data type. Let us see if it has class type field. Class type, yes, class type field is there. So this table will have values. Header data. Now we need to, in AC16, if you can get data in AC16, field 11, internal class number, CQ, CQ, underscore CP underscore SQ.
Okay, yes. CB underscore
SQ.
SQ.
Okay. Class type you see 040, not 023. Somebody has changed 040.
0 040.
04. Yeah, 040.
Which
What is
class is?
040? 040 does not exist. You see, does not exist. If I change in this table, there may be some entries in other tables. So you cannot do that. Okay, let us first start this class 040. Let us see. But
D.
since data is not there,
Put D. They are
040
D40.
has no object assignment on 27. Short sequence. Okay, this
Ah,
class type is short sequence, but
yes. This is a
it is
correct.
not. Yeah, it is not there in the list, but
This is correct, yes.
040
Yes, this is no problem. It's correct.
expiration date.
That's what we want.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yes, it's correct.
Short sequence. Hmm. Okay. And now if where is our here ascending, descending, shelf life, and this value is expiration date.
One characteristic can change.
Comparison type. This, what is the name of this characteristic? What is the name of this characteristic?
Here,
It
here,
has
here is
opened
available.
this.
Well, here is available. Check here.
Where?
Open another screen. I'll show you. Not
Which
this one.
screen?
No, that screen where is the characteristic you opened before. Not here, not here. Here, here. Yes. You see the name here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Characteristic.
yeah.
This is a field.
Yeah, this is a common characteristic. Okay, okay. This is common. It is also used in the other class. It is also
Huh?
used in the other class. It is also used in the other class. CP underscore
Common.
02. Yeah, common. Same class. Okay. Okay, so classification. Okay, fine. So sorting, but if you have this, you can do sorting,
Uh-huh.
ascending, descending. So based on LIFO or FIFO strategy used by the department. So if
Mm-hmm.
they are going for LIFO, last in first out, then they will go for descending. And for if they have FIFO, first in first out, they will go for ascending.
صح.
Okay, so since this is fine, now let us move to some next thing.
خلاص leave it.
Yeah, batch where use list. Let us take this next batch where use list. Okay, so in the so batch where use list is generally like if what transactions have been done with a batch, it will show you display. Let us see if any batch where use this is there for this material plant. So let us see this batch number. Okay, batch number. So this batch, this plant, currently 3 piece quantity.
3 بس.
Up to this drill down is possible. Let us see some other batch where there are more transaction. Okay, it also has only this 5 pieces. Okay, there are no inspection lots, I don't think. 5 pieces. What amount? If there were any documents attached, it will be shown from here.
اوكي
65. This batch, and this is the purchase order number, I guess. So this batch came from this purchase order, 5 quantity pieces. So analysis you can do where this batch, how this batch came from where, and where it is lying. So and if any reservations are done, it will be shown. If any goods issue for this batch,
اوكي
if there is any transfer, so also it will show receiving plant. If there is any change of batch number due to transfer from to another plant, so the receiving batch number also will be shown. So all the
اوكي
trace for a batch will be available, and it is done through. Let us see the SPRO settings.
اوكي
Batch determination, batch where used list. So here you can do settings. So say plant 1000, batch where used synchronization posting or deactivated. If it is deactivated, then you will not see anything over there. And synchronization posting means when you are posting, uh, doing any posting, receiving or issue, goods issue, and synchronize posting. So that means immediately everything will be saved, and if you want to then if you see any report like say you want to see stock list MMB, So there it will show the means it will show the exact scenario for that batch up to the last posting. If it is not synchronized, when you do not select, let us see actually the batch variable list file is updated synchronously to the posting of a goods movement. Okay. When
Okay.
compiling the batch variable list file, the system generates the receipt and issue records required for the batch variable list for the material document items. If it is not synchronized, in that case, uh, it will be saved, say, in the background, and
Yes.
in the background, so it may be running, that thread may be running, and in the meantime, you want to see MMBE, it may show you the past before this, if this transition is still running and not committed, the last one, so it will show you the up to the transaction which happened before that.
Okay.
So these settings you can do. So only these two settings available for batch where use list. And then you if you want to do custom development, so you can do the enhancements, 3 of them. Now let us move to yeah, batch management, batch unit of measure. This is important. So you can activate or deactivate unit of measure batch specific.
Mm.
So general it is active. If it is not active, in that case you cannot use batch specific unit of measure. So what is the
Okay.
difference with the standard unit of measure with batch unit of measure? Um,
شنو ده؟
let
نسيت غديته؟ يا يا اخي خلينا بجي اقول عملنا يقعد ما يقوم.
okay, here is a list of some unit of measure created. Okay, like the first one is KAI, kilogram actual ingredient, and the master unit of measure is liter, and it is based on volume. Here you cannot see the details otherwise, because we are in 800. Let us move to 500. There I will show you the details, and also we can create. Let us move to,
يس
yeah, 500.
يس جيب العيش من ابوك. جيب العيش. لا تقعد اقعد. لا تقعد معنا. لا تقعد معنا. يس استاذ اشفاق.
Yeah, yeah, I am starting 500 because batch unit of measure we want to see, because in
اوكي
800 we cannot create.
اوكي.
Batch. Okay, let us create here a new
اها.
batch specific unit of measure, because details it is not showing. Let me see. Change, it is not showing. Okay, let me create. suppose uh, suppose for say
You want to change the unit of measurement?
no, means create a new batch unit of measure. Create a new batch of measure. Okay, starting with your name. Okay, let us say Kamal, and we want this as say
Okay.
ton.
Okay.
Okay, so I do not know 3 letter or 4 letter. It is only 3. Okay, so KTO. Okay, and it will be based on the original unit of measure, standard unit of measure, ton.
TO.
Ton is defined or
TO.
TO. Okay, okay. In language English. Now again there is some problem in the system. Okay, maybe I think we need to create first in
Where?
KTO where we define the standard unit of measure in enterprise. There you define and then you link here.
Ah. That means the unit measurement must be there first. In customizing.
Yes, yeah, customizing definition. Mm, unit of measure is defined where I'm forgetting in okay, maybe in NetWeaver. In NetWeaver, general setting, set currency. Yes, unit of measure.
Yes, unit of measurement.
Okay, dimension, unit of measurement. Okay, here you cannot create. You cannot
No
create
way.
a new. No. So here you need to define and then you link that with the standard measurement on that screen in batch management.
Understand.
So here you define
But now
and
not
then
possible.
yeah, not possible. And then you link here. So the reason is like uh, say in the steel industry what happens? In the steel industry, suppose
Mm-hmm.
suppose you have a rod
Mm-hmm.
or say plate.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you have a plate and the dimension of the plate is suppose 7 into 10 into 0.1. Suppose in meters or even say 0.1. This is the thickness. Okay, so length, width, and height. Okay, length, width, height of a steel plate. So in standard system, you can say your unit of measure is your standard unit of measure is suppose tonnage maybe tonnage you are doing it
1000 kilo. 1 ton is equal
yeah
1000.
yeah so tonnage you based on tonnage, this is your standard unit of measure or may or okay, let us say kg, standard unit of measure. And what happens is that suppose you have many plates, you have many plates lying, and based on kg and even in dimension, suppose there is kg and also there is another measurement in meters, like the length. Okay, length. So based on length, what is your uh, uh, based on length, what will be, suppose how many kgs? How many kgs? Say for 2 meters, how many kg?
Yes.
Right. So in standard, if you have defined the relationship between meter and kg based on the other two like width and height, suppose you have this plate and you have a plate range where the width is 10. Width is always, suppose, and 10 is too much, suppose 2 meters, 2 meters width of plate, and based on length you can always find out, give to the customer how many kgs. Okay, suppose uh, you have a plate, say 20 meter into 2 meter into 0.01. Okay, for you have one plate, suppose you have another plate 40 meter into 2 meter into 0.01. Similarly, you have one more to 0.01. Now you have another set of plates where the dimension is something like this, 12 meter into 1 meter into 0.05. Then in another set uh, you have plates where the dimensions are into 0.02. So you have all these plates, different kind of plates, and the standard unit of measurement for you is meters and kg. Okay, so using the meters and kg, you are able to find out for say 20 meters and kg this set, for this set, suppose you have set a suppose say 200 kg per meter. Okay, for for this set of plates, suppose this one is 1 meter width, so it will be less, suppose 100 meter, 100 kg, 100 kg per meter.
Okay.
Then for this set of plates you will say say 150 kg per meter.
Yes.
So this is standard calculation. You will able to calculate always depending on the meter. You will able to say to the customer it is
Okay.
this much
Okay.
kg.
Okay.
Now the thing is depending on these are suppose these are you can say mild steel mi plates
Okay.
where
Mm.
carbon percentage say it is 0.08. Okay, but now you have some other plates where
Okay.
carbon percentage may be different, say 0.9. So for all your plates it will be difficult for you to do calculation if the say carbon changes or the other chemical composition changes. Okay, so depending on your batch characteristic, actually I will show you one more use of characteristics in batches. You can keep this composition inside the characteristics, and based on the characteristics you can determine the weight per meter. Okay, so suppose all of these your plates had 0.08% carbon, and you were able to calculate these. Now suppose you have after 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 quality check you found that the carbon
Uh-huh.
was 0.09% carbon. Okay,
Okay.
not 0.08%.
Okay.
So in that case, these weights will be different for those materials. It will not be 100 kg, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be different. So you link what you do. You link the composition, chemical composition, with your standard unit of measure, and
German.
then
Yeah.
and then you define it in your batch specific unit of measurement here.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
from here it will always calculate. So for different chemical composition you will have different unit of measure, and then you will be able to calculate say per meter weight of any material. So you will be defining them in your classes.
Okay.
Okay, I will let us see some more. There is something more. Proportional factors, quantity conversion. Okay,
Mm.
so proportional percentile, basic quantity for proportion. So one is proportion is basically this one will be used in chemical industry where
Uh,
in chemical industry where uh, suppose uh, suppose purity, or suppose say we have some uh, say milk, say we do
what?
uh, uh, we do milk. In milk we have different quantity, different grades of milk, like we have what you call uh, homogenized. If you are using milk, what kind of milk you are using? Skimmed milk. Then in US they have 2%, they call it 2% milk. 1.5% milk, and 1.5% and 2% milk means the fat content of the milk is 2%.
Yes, okay.
So this is
Fat.
proportion.
Here, Saudi
Yeah.
Arabia, low fat and full fat.
Hmm.
Two types.
Full fat. Okay.
Yeah, full
Two
fat, low
types.
fat.
Okay. Okay. So proportion is always shown in percentage. So if you need to define proportion factors,
Mm-hmm.
so you define it here, percentage calculation.
Where is?
So from one uh, suppose in the production, suppose you have full fat milk,
Mm-hmm.
and then you are in the production you are removing some fat from the milk, fat removal, and then you are making, say,
Okay.
skimmed milk. So what will be relation between this full fat and skimmed milk? So those and based on that, how much production will be done of fat, and the removed fat means the byproduct as well as the main product. So
Mm.
those you can define proportion. Okay.
Yes.
Percentage. No, here technical format, measurement unit, count. So based on the proportion, you the production of new products means you will define how much production will be done.
Mm-hmm.
From base, from basic, technical, batch is specific unit of measurement, base unit of measure, batch is specific unit measure, K12. So from means basically from one standard and the batch measurement. Actually, using through class, I will demonstrate these ones later. Base quantity from proportion means there means uh, both ways you can define your relation, like from proportion quantity to base, from base quantity to proportion, and from proportion quantity to base.
Okay.
So the two way the
That
relation you
means,
can define.
okay.
So in the like here, it will be the unit of the base unit of measurement. From here you are will be defining batch specific measurement. In the other one,
Yeah,
you
down.
will be defining from batch
Three.
to base unit of measurement.
Okay.
Define percentage product quantity. So these are proportion based, always in percentage. The other one is
Okay.
quantity conversion. Quantity conversion is generally, suppose quantity conversion may be like suppose you have a you are doing forging. In forging, some loss will happen in the forging process. So, and sometimes there may be some damage, like you they were given 10 pieces, and out of them one piece was rejected generally. So always the 9 pieces were good. So you are taking 10, and then the finished good is only 9. So quantity conversion will be 10 to 9. So
Okay.
that kind of conversion you can define here.
Mm.
So two types of conversion from base unit of meter to batch specific unit of measurement.
Base of unit.
Yeah.
Right.
I will create a class, and then I will show you in next class, in our next
Inshallah.
class. Yeah. Then other one is shelf life expiration date. So shelf
Inshallah.
life expiration date calculation, how it is done,
Okay.
we will see. Derivation of batch data basically for production. mm, Batch derivation from which one batch to another batch. Derivation active. So from one batch to another batch, you can convert during say production or conversion. Then information cockpit, it is also available in easy access. So here you can do standard selection, either specific selection. Selection. Selection criteria. Date of manufacture. Batch in stereo. These are for search of batch. Okay. There is also by derivation event, number range for derivation of condition technique for derivation, documentary batch.
Mhm.
Okay. So in the next class, we will create a class. We will create characteristics for both shelf life also, and
Inshallah.
this yeah, specific material unit of measurement, how
Okay.
you can convert from standard unit of measurement to batch specific
خلاص.
unit of measurement. And we
Okay.
will use, since we cannot create new measurement unit, we will use existing one.
Okay.
Okay, existing one we
Inshallah.
will use,
Okay.
and we will do.
Inshallah. خلاص.
Okay, so tomorrow
6
8
6
10,
يوم.
what you said, 8 10,
ها؟ Me?
6
6:60.
6 10, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, 6:10. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, okay,
إن شاء الله 6:10. Okay. إن شاء الله.
okay.
طيب، السلام
Yeah.
عليكم.
Wonderful.